Hello, my name is Nadia Lorena Campos Torres. I am in the 5th semester of degree in foreign language with emphasis on English, and I am going to talk about the material designs. And the activity is the role of the material designer. But first, to talk about this activity, I want to define what the material designs are. This is anything which can be used to facilitate the learning of a language, including course books, videos, graded readers, flashcards, games, websites, and mobile phone interaction. They can be informative, instructional, experimental, eliciting, and ideally materials should be developed for learning rather than for teaching, and they should perform a function as specific about. What was the conception of materials development decades ago? For many decades, the development of materials was the companion of learning resource, and we are part of the context of language learning, including the philosophical and belief system of the stakeholders. Depending on why they thought the language was for how we think people learn language. The materials were different, and as the has-paced reflection have been made on how the teaching process is vital in the search to develop materials that satisfy the objectives and learning styles. What does development materials demand from teachers? Give us 6 demands and explain them. The first was materials should help learners develop confidence. The materials should help students to develop confidence. If the materials are practical, dynamic, and didactic, they will make learning easy. The second is the materials should require and facilitate learning self-investment. The material must be self-taught and help the students learn from their mistakes. The third is materials development requires designers to be reflective, resourceful, and receptive. This is ear and ear. More is learned by having a dynamic material, since it makes students more receptive, learn more easily, and absorb knowledge more. The fourth is materials should provide learners with opportunities to use the target language to achieve communicative purpose. The student should be taught to use all skills such as reading, writing, speaking, and listening for greater ease in learning a language. The fifth is materials should provide opportunities for outcome feedback. The results are better when you feedback to a lesson. You learn more. The students must be able to learn from their mistakes. First, identify them and then understand and correct them. And the sixth is the effectiveness of materials used for language teaching depends largely on how meaningful. The lessons should be known below. They should be precise and concise so that the learner absorbs the knowledge more easily. What are the components of creating and adapting didactic learning materials? We have the first, needs assessment; the second, setting goals and objectives; third, design and syllabus; fourth, selecting and developing materials and activities; 5, organization of content as activity; 6, evaluation; 7, resource and constraints. The teacher must prepare the class in advance, organize the materials and resources to be used, and above all dynamic and didactic in their class so there are excellent reception by the learning. In your opinion, what is the principal role of the teacher when designing language learning materials? In my opinion, the design of the students' materials is a very important part for both for the teacher and for the learning, because it makes life easier for both of them. As for the teacher, they can make their class dynamic, didactic, and easy, and funny too, and for the learning have a good reception. And as for the apprentice, you can help him construct knowledge from actively interactive or for the physical world around there. They learn through their own individual action and exploration. Children are active learners and thinkers. And I have in the draw the four etaps for improving the students' outcomes. They are the discover, where are you now, the learning analytics, student voice, digital capacity and employable quality, the dream, what are for aiming for strategy, principles, types of learning, digital by design, visionary socials, the design, what might you need to consider, the course, the models, lessons, apprenticeships, online learnings and assessment, and the deliver is how do you get there, the staff development, student engagement, infrastructure, learning space, administration and communication. Thank you.